today I'm going to cook a jollof rice. The ingredients I use today, I use Scotch Bonnet, I use rice, I use olive oil, I use garlic, I use tomato, I use tomato puree, and also use leftover chicken from last night. So the reason why I use the leftover chicken from last night is because I don't want to waste food. From Sunday when you cook, the leftover they just chop in the bin. So I try to use whatever food left from the night before to cook something with it. In here I'm going to get all the meat out to use this meat to cook a jollof rice. So let's get cooking. Alright, so first thing first, I'm going to get all the meat out. Get the meat out. And thank you so much for joining. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and turn the notification button on so that whenever I upload, so that you'll be the first to be notified. And whatever you are today, I hope you wear a mask and staying safe. Process so far. If you do enjoy, please do subscribe to the channel. If there's anything you'd like me to cook, please do let me know by commenting below, and also you commenting and liking the videos and subscribing will motivate me to do this kind of content. So thank you so much. Please do wear mask at this moment, especially this pandemic is very dangerous in our world right now. So please do wear mask wherever you go. Please do protect yourself, protect everyone, and protect guys. If there's anything you'd like me to cook, please do let me know in the comment box. You can also email me on GhanaFanTube@gmail.com. But you can comment and let me know what you'd like me to cook. My Instagram handle is actually GhanaAmani. Yeah, GhanaAmani as in Ghana with a designer Amani. Yeah, all in one word. Yeah, so if there's anything you'd like me to cook, please do comment on the video and let me know. Okay, so I think we almost finished. And you know what, this bone I can still use it for jus. So what I'll do is I'll boil it, then use the water from there to cook something else. But today I'm not going to do that. Probably another video. Today I'm just purely using the meat from last night to cook jollof rice. That's what I'm doing. So let's focus on that. So I think our meat is nicely cooked. Yeah, so let's put that away. Let's put that away. So this is so today we're going to cook with tomato, Scotch Bonnet, onions, and this chili from Ghana. My mom gave me this when I went to visit, and I'm going to use my favorite Aromat and tomato puree, and also my favorite cube, which is ONJA right here. So this is what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use Aromat, tomato, onions, Scotch Bonnet, chili pepper, and tomato puree. So let's get prepping. So this, I'm going to blend them. So I don't fancy chop the onions because I'm going to blend them. What I'm going to do is just cut them into 4 blender. And also the tomato is going in the blender. Just washing the tomato before it goes in. And now the final part is my chilies. Just making sure there's no bits. And alright. Okay, I think I've got everything out. So now let's go blend. So I forgot to put garlic, so we're just going to use garlic because I don't know, I just love cooking with garlic. Somebody will say that's quite a lot of garlic, but you know, I did research. They say garlic is good for you. So I like garlic. I like cooking with garlic. So you know, remember last time I showed you in my last video how to easily peel garlic. So I just press it. There you go. You can see now it's easy to peel without struggling. And so there's my garlic. Let's go blend it. So our chili is already done. So as you can see, here is the blended complete chili. Look. Somebody will say that's a lot of chilies, but I'm using this to make a sauce that goes with jollof as well, so that's why you see a lot of blended chili here. Alright, so now let's cook. So these are olive oil. Guys, let's start cooking. As soon as I stir, I'm dropping my chili sauce straight right in there without wasting any time. So now I'm going to let this cook to my taste. Yeah. Somebody will say, why do you use so much aromat? Because it gives my jollof rice a good tasty one. As I'm stirring now, I'm going to let this baby cook probably for 30 minutes. For a while now, so I'm just checking to see how the stew is looking. It's looking good so far. So now I'm going to get my ONJA cubes in there, which is going to give it a flavor. ONJA cubes in, stir, and cover your stew to cook. Probably stir it a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with my tomato puree. So I need to make sure this tomato puree, all of it, go in there. Half that's left over from my last meal. Now once my puree in, I'm going to make sure I stir it very nice, gently. Cook to the taste I wanted it. So don't forget, at the beginning I told you I'm going to use this sauce to go with my jollof as well. Right, since now we believe our stew is done, I think it's looking amazing, right? So I'm just going to serve this stew. That will go with the jollof rice. To a separate bowl. So now this is the stew now I'm going to use for my jollof rice. So the process I'm going to use, I'm going to use probably 1 liter of water. So I'm using a pint of water. So here is the pint of water I'm going to use. And because the reason why you're seeing the chili sauce in here, because I'm using the leftover from my blended chili, as the base of the water, so that I don't miss any ingredient. So here you go, my 1 pint of water is in there. So because the rice I'm going to use is quite a lot, I'm cooking for a week. So I'm going to pour another half pint of water in there. And what next? I'm going to get my leftover chicken, which is the base of the jollof, in there. And then sprinkle of Ghana salt in there, and also my favorite ONJA, because I've just pour 1.5 pints of water in there, so it will lose the taste. So what I'm doing is I'm making sure I get my taste back in the jollof rice. So I'm just going to get one of my ONJA cube in there. Now we're ready to go. So I'm going to increase my fire to number 9, which is the highest on this cooker. Minutes on a high heat, and then this is the rice I'm going to use today. You can see our beautiful rice. Ready for work. The reason why I'm covering it on foil is so that this one, the jollof rice, because if you don't cook it up, If there's anything you'd like me to cook, please do comment below. And so you can see how amazing the food look at the end. So guys, if there's anything you'd like me to cook, please feel free. Email me at ghanafanchiba@gmail.com, or you can just hit the comment box and just write a comment. I'm happy to reply, and you can take it from there. So please do stay safe wherever you are. Please stay safe, and you can also follow my social media channel as well. Thank you very much. Speak to you soon, and see you on another episode. Thank you.